Hi everyone, this is Jill Cornelius, creative partner with Kiwi Lane. My creative partner number is 247096. I'd appreciate it that if you do not have an account with Kiwi Lane, you create one and you just slip my little number right in there. That way I get a little bit of credit and I can buy scrapbook supplies. It makes me happy. So it is time for this month's unboxing, my unboxing of the Color Me Happy Kiwi Club kit. That's the name of it for the month of October. Color Me Happy. This is the box that you receive. They used to have the white ones. I really liked them. They just was really nice to open and it's a nice bright white box, but at least I got my kit, right? So as you notice up here on the upper right hand corner, there's a QR code. When you scan that with your phone, it'll bring you to the idea book that they create every month. It's a PDF. You just scan that and it'll bring you right to it. If you're a member of my Facebook group, I put those in my file sections to give you easy access. Anyway, let's open the box and see what we have because it is Color Me Happy. I just have to pull it out of the box and not cut myself this time. Here's the kit. Okay, paper's happy, Color Me Happy. Let's see how happy we get with this kit. I'm going to open this one up. As you can see, when you get your kit, there's the photos corners, the paper corners rather. They're made out of plastic and they keep it so that your kit does not get ruined in the mail. Mine comes off in the bag. See? Really nice. Let's do paper first. I never know which to do first. So, well, actually, I'll show you this first. This is the 6x12 sheet that comes in each of the kits. It tells you what kind of pages that you can make with this kit. There's the happy moments and smiles, a celebrate life, a celebration, and just general good happy days. In this kit, there are 4 designer template sets. One is a pinball. One is a rainbow with clouds. One is smile, and the other is a heart with a little arrow. The designer template set in this kit is called Choose Happy. And choose is spelled C-H-E-W-S. This kit includes 12 12x12 80-pound patterned paper sheets, which are double-sided, 3 main sheets, 3 supporting sheets, 6 background sheets, and 11 meaningful title cards, which are these. And a designer template set. Choose Happy. We'll see that later. Here's the QR code again. And every month, Kiwi Lane gives you suggestions on what templates would go best with this kit. This month, they are Whimsy, Tiny Highlights, which are very, very low in stock. So if you want to get those, I suggest you do. And Abbey Road, one of my favorite template sets. And there's a save the date where they go through and they show you what they create. They also have play dates. Kiwi Lane does. I'm thinking about doing a online crop or crop with me so you can see how I create with one of the kits. Now it's time to do the paper because there's nothing on that side. Okay. It's very, very pretty paper. Bubblegum machines, choose happiness. Haha, bubblegum, choose. There's a camera, always smile, joy. It's very, very pretty. So this is side A. I always tell you which sides I like as a personal preference. You may not agree, but that's okay. This is just what I like. This is side A. And this is side B. I'm going to go with side A. The side B just makes me a little bit dizzy, all the little dots in the white, but it'll be great for a background on a template or a picture or something, or photo corners. So that's side A. And I'll face them up over on the side there so you can keep track of which ones I choose. Side A, it's a blue, like checked pattern paper. It's really, really pretty. See? This is side A. Side B. I'm going to go with side A again. Okay. The next is a blue diagonal stripe side A. Ooh, it's a very, very pale pink pattern. It looks like corkscrews, you know, the twisty things. That's what it looks like to me. Side A or side B? I'm going to go with side A again. So 3 for 3, I've chosen side A. What will you choose? Very, very pretty. You could use this for beach pages too. That would be really, really pretty for a beach page. Just straight lines, but they're really, really pretty and bright. I would use it for a beach page. So this is side A and side B. I would use both sides for a beach page. I like side A and side B. But there's only one, so I'd have to use half of each. That's okay. Side A. Side B. Ooh, clouds. I'm going to use the clouds. Yep, side A. I mean, side B. Yep, I can use the cloud with my cloud template. That'd be really, really pretty. And look at this pretty floral paper. I love this. I'm going to create something with this. I don't know what, but I will. So this is side A. The orange is just really, really pretty in this. I think that's what makes it so appealing to me. So side A. Side B. Stick with side A. Okay, so 4 A's, 1 A, 1 B, another A. Now the next 2 sheets you get 2 of. Okay, it's a pale pink. This is side A, and this is side B. You know, sometimes there are papers that you just really can't choose what you like. Not that you do like them, but yeah. Side A, this is pretty blue paper, and there's 2 of them also. Side B is a yellow. The great thing about this is, I think I know what's wrong with these 2. They're too pale for me. I don't do pastel papers, so I may have to figure something out to use that. Side A and side B. I like them both. Okay. The blue is really, really pretty too. I like that. And the last 2 sheets are this blue checked box paper, blue and white checked box. It's pretty. Side A, side B. The blue is just too similar to the other blues. It would have been nice if they had a green to go with it, or another orange pattern. That would be good too. But of these that I would use, I'd probably use 1 of each. So A and B. Okay. And I am going to keep these 2 sheets here so that I can pull out we'll do the template set next. I'm going to have to cut this. There's 4 templates in this template set. And they're called Choose Happy. I'm going to get them in order first because I just opened it. Okay. Number 1 of 4 is this really, really cute heart. Okay. Bring my paper down a little bit. Really, really cute heart. And the measurements are, because I like to measure so I can give y'all measurements. It's about 1 5/8 by about, we'll say 2.5. It's really, really cute. I'll leave that there. Number 2 is this one. So you could use the cloud paper with these and be really, really pretty. So this is number 2 of 4 of Choose Happy. It measures, why do I always do that? Roughly 4.5 by 3 1/4. Yeah, 3 1/4. So that's number 2. Number 3 is the bubblegum machine. Now you could do what I did before, make a shaker box with this, like I did with the globe. Remember the globe? If not, go back in my videos. I might share a link down below. In my videos, I show you some different globes that I made. So you could do that. You know what you could do with this? It would be really, really cute. Put little hearts in it for Valentine's Day. I might do that. That would be really, really happy. Dog bones, dog cookies, different things that you could put in there. So that's the gumball machine. And then finally, smile. I love this. I love lettering templates. And even if it's just for one word, I like it. I mean, you could use a dog page or a cat page, mainly a dog page, because a dog getting dog cookies out of a gumball machine, there is a page idea for you. Anyway, I like that, but I don't own a dog. My daughter does, though. Sorry, rambling today, just a little tired. Let's do the journaling cards, and I will tell you which ones. Well, I'll just do side A and side B. Remember, if you do not like the journaling cards, you can always use it to photomat a picture. You can use them for photo corners. You can choose a template with it, make confetti, or how about a picture frame? Just if something speaks to you, put it in a picture frame and put it up on your mantle or in your craft room. Celebrate the good times. That's the first one. Oh, I could use this for cruise pictures. Oh, celebrate the good times. Side A, side B. It's a wonderful day. Side A, side B. Friends are the family we choose. Okay. This paper is giving me now best friend vibes, okay? So I might have some pictures I can use with this. Friends are the family we choose. Things that make me happy. Oh, I didn't do side B, sorry. It's a blue, it's the blue, like, well, it's that blue. Things that make me happy, side A. Side B, ooh. You blow me away. Oh. So you have a choice of journaling or journaling. That's cool. Color me happy, side A. Side B. Choose happiness. I could see this in a frame. Just go to Michael's and get one from the dollar spot or Target, the dollar spot, and just pop it in there. Side A. Side B. You make me burst with happiness. Side A. Side B. Pretty yellow. You add a splash of color to my life. Side A. Side B. And enjoy the weekend. Happy looks good on you. It is magic when you make my heart and beautiful. You can use these with some of the templates. It'll say so in the PDF. So I urge you to go look at the PDF before you create with the kit. It's going to be a little while before I get to create because I have a craft show coming up in 3 weeks. So I've been a little bit busy. Happy your day. I like that one. I could see that in a picture frame also. Side A, side B. And life is short. You make me a curve that can set a lot of things straight and while you still have teeth. So those are the templates, journaling cards to use. These are the lovely templates. And I showed you all the paper. And that is the October Kiwi Club kit called Color Me Happy. You can order this kit. Well, join the Kiwi Club. And if you join by the 20th of the month, they say the 22nd, but be safe and order by the 20th. This is the kit that you will receive. If you join after that date, the November kit will be the one that you receive. So, don't waste time. Choose happy. Okay? Thank you for watching my video. I'll have all my links down below to my store, my Facebook page. What else? I'm not sure. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.